Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is the unboxing and review of Gamdias RGB case fans. So the first one is Gamdias Aeolus M2 125R and another one is 124R. As you have already guessed, one comes with 5 fans and another comes with 4 fans. Also, I'm doing a giveaway of this RGB fans, so stay tuned with me till the last and I'll share all the details about the giveaway. So now let's focus on the video. Here I have the 125R. So the first thing, as you guys can see, it has the picture of the product and also some highlight features as well, like the trio RGB rings, hydraulic bearings, addressable ARGB, and on the right side you can see it comes with the RGB controller and the remote. And on the back side of the box you guys can see all the specs in details and also some warranty related stuff. So let's open up the box and let's see what we have in it. So we have a box within a box. Okay, so in the right compartment we have 5 fans stacked up and there is a small box on the left side. So let's keep aside the fans and let's see what we have in the small box. So here we have the RGB remote and we have the Gamdias RGB controller and one magnet to attach this controller on the back side of your case. Also, here you have an extension cable. With this you can add another RGB controller box as a daisy chain on this box to add more fans in your system if you need it. And also we have some screws to mount these fans in your system. Okay, so now let's talk about these fans. This pack comes with 5 120mm fans which are white in color, and it has a special type of connector that only connects on this RGB controller provided by this company. So you can't use these fans with any other controller or directly in your motherboard. This fans has a hydraulic bearing system, and because of that this fans significantly reduces friction noise while spinning in highest RPM. But to be very honest, these fans create noise a little bit. If you do any voiceover or voice recording stuff near the computer, maybe this noise disturb you. And according to the price point of these fans, you have to deal with this small amount of noise because you can't expect everything in this price point. And these fans feature dual ring system on the front and the rear, so it doesn't matter how you mount these fans in your case, like exhaust or intake, you can still enjoy the RGB and they look pretty good. I have to say, I'm a fan of this frosted ring design. So now let's talk about the RGB controller box, and the best part is it's powered by SATA, not Molex. I always prefer SATA over Molex, though SATA doesn't provide that much power as Molex, but still, on this controller you can add up to 8 fans, 2 LED strips, and also you can make daisy chain as I have mentioned before. But the fan connectors are quite different and you can only connect fans from this brand on this controller. And you can't add any other brand's RGB fan on this controller because the connecting point is different. And same for the fans as well. You can't use those fans on any other brand's controller or directly on your motherboard, as the connecting pin is totally different for these fans. And overall, to run the system you need both the connector and the fans from the same brand, and then you can connect it with the motherboard with the provided cable, and you can control all the RGB lightings with your motherboard software. So now let me show you how to install this. This is pretty simple. Here is the controller. You have to connect it with any available SATA port on your system. So let's use 2 fans and let me show you how to connect these fans with the controller. So here is one fan and here is another one. So you have to just simply connect these connectors on the fan controller of the box, and then you have to turn on your computer, and for the first time the fans will turn on with full brightness and rainbow mode. Now if you want to control this with your motherboard software, you can use it. Also you can control it with the provided remote in the box as well. So here is the remote, and now you can do anything with the remote controller. You can turn them off, you can turn them on, you can change the brightness, you can change the speed of the fan, you can change the speed of the animations, you can change the colors, you can change the brightness of the fans and everything. Okay, so now let's enjoy a small time lapse of installing those fans, because I'm not gonna show you how to mount these fans on your case step by step, because first of all, every case has a bit different procedure, and also it's not rocket science. If you can open up your cabinet, you can install them. I don't use any kind of water cooling system on this PC, so if you have one, you can mount these fans on the radiator, so that's totally depends on you. I'm installing these fans quite simply. 3 on the front side as intake, 1 and 2 on the top as exhaust. Also, you can create other configurations as well, like negative pressure, positive pressure, push-pull configuration, and whatever way you want. As you guys can see, I have already completed the installation process and it's looking quite good. I mean, the frosted ring design gives you a very premium look. It has so many modes, about 52 modes, including spinning, breathing, color splash, rainbow, and so on. Also, you can create unlimited modes with your motherboard software, but for me, I'm gonna use it on completely white or teal or maybe some other solid colors. Final thoughts about the RGB fans. This fans looks really good and it has so many modes in it. So if you are thinking about buying a RGB fan for your system, you can obviously go for it. And if you are in a budget, then I think this is the best option for you. These fans make noise even while in the lowest RPM. So keep that in mind, that the noise is one problem for these fans, and other than that the fans are pretty good, and if you can bear that noise, then there is no other problem or issue with these fans. And if you have any question about these products, let me know in the comment section below. So now let me tell you about the giveaway. Basically, I have 2 sets and I need only one. So I'm giving away the 124R with 4 RGB fans to one of my subscribers. So registering your name for this giveaway is quite simple. First of all, you have to follow me on Instagram, like this video, and let me know what do you think about this product in the comment section below. I will choose one subscriber from the comment section and I will personally contact him. Also, I will post the winner's name on the community section as well. So stay tuned on the channel to know more updates about this giveaway. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing for more videos like that. And if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you didn't like the video, hit the dislike button twice. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.